Hi, what's up, y'all? How y'all doing? There we go. Today's episode is gonna be a little bit different. Not really. It's probably gonna be the same old driving. It's just I won't be doing driving. We're actually heading up to Thunder Hill in a little bit, our usual local track, which is about hour 15 or so away from where I'm based. We're gonna jump in the cars with some other drivers, other guys that have been in the videos that you've seen. I honestly am so disappointed with myself and my driving, reviewing the last few videos and like reviewing the footage while making the videos. There's so many mistakes I'm catching myself doing, which I suppose is a good thing, that I am noticing these things. And I didn't really pay attention so much, or not that I didn't pay attention so much, I never noticed these things as much because I haven't done videos for all that long. And I started noticing these things way more when I did start making videos. So as a side note, highly recommend to anyone who's a driver, if you are a driver and you are trying to better your level of driving, mount a GoPro on your helmet or stick it in your car somewhere, like in the windshield, pointing at yourself even. It helps so much to then look over that footage and see what you're doing wrong. You can find mistakes. Ooh, check out that Ajiban. That's nice. It helps so much to review the footage and nitpick at yourself. You can see like, that was done too early, or I should have held throttle there, or whatever. Like, come in with more confidence here, there. You will see all the little mistakes you make, and it won't just be you thinking you're doing great and then continuing all those mistakes, but instead you will actually notice those little things, and you know, it'll be subconsciously in your head, and you will be able to remember that and think about that and go into your next event or your drive day and kind of... Anyhow, that's enough talking. You get the point. There's a few other things I wanted to address on, kind of fill you guys in on what's happening in the upcoming weeks. There's a lot of exciting things, but we'll wait for that. I'm about to meet up with George, the guy in the red E46, and we're gonna head over to Thunder Hill, and then I don't know, we'll see what we get. We'll see who's over there, hang out with some friends, and hopefully sit in on some good driving. All right, man, you're gonna get filmed. Let's get it. Where's your window visor, bro?
Don't worry about it.
Come on, man, seriously, what kind of street car is this?
Non-functional
street car. Street spec.
though, dude.
Jeez. Does it hydro stays on?
No, it just, that's the plan, and it just fucking sticks out here. See better days.
I'm just being an asshole picking out all your stuff.
Making fun of my car, dude.
All right, dude, this is your lead run.
Let's go.
Let's see that speed.
I never learned how to drive. I never learned how to read.
Dude, you should buckle this up. You never have that buckled.
Come on, man. I don't make the rules.
This is the first time I'm in your car drifting. Actually, second time.
Huh?
Second time.
Really?
I think second time.
Really? No.
I don't know, but it's hella bright, so I'm gonna put these on.
Yeah.
It's hella bright, so I'm gonna put these on. Bad luck? Am I bad luck?
Crazy.
Dude, your bumper flew over us. I'm kind of upset about your bumper.
I am too, because I just put that together. Where is it?
You have to find it.
What happened?
Here, pull over. Let's assess.
That was too much. Did you go off right there?
Yeah, we lost the bumper before that too.
Is it not there? It's not there. The front bumper?
The front bumper's not there. I seen it fly over us.
They're both gone. Did you put that one back on?
Hey.
What did you hit?
I hit a tire.
Hey.
Oh my God.
That was pretty... Dude, I just pulled around and collected parts like 2 runs ago.
I know, I watched you do that too. I feel so sorry right now.
Is it all the way over there?
It's right there. It's that tire, you know, when you came in shallow, you clipped. I was gonna say so, I didn't want to start yelling.
Why did that happen?
You came in hella shallow.
Is that my shit?
Yeah, it's the first hairpin.
Like,
How'd you take off your mirror?
the bumper literally, he clipped the tire, the bumper swung up, hit the mirror as it came off.
Oh my God.
Yeah.
Wild.
It sucks. Redemption run. Clutch. Okay.
dude.
Shit to this one right here. Pull up. Hey, you ready to put some money on the line?
Oh yeah, dude.
Easy there. Don't be like the Skyline back there. tire and it's sparking.
Stop.
What?
You have a whole tire under your front.
Oh, dude, I thought I was so close to this thing.
It was sparking, bro. Dude, hold on.
Here, let me grab it. Oh yeah, you're pulling the tire and it was literally sparking the whole thing. Like, right there, that was sparking.
Oh, bro, high quality, dude.
Failed that one.
I see it.
I think the wheel just like. That's hella funny. I've hit you twice and it's been wheels both times, dude.
Oh, nice. Hey, do you want your plastic dip back?
So yeah, this Mustang. My grip up, really fucked up. Some in my eyes.
My favorite part about this car is the Need for Speed Mongoose hood.
It's a hood bulge. You know, it's very, you can't really see out of the car.
You're not going straight anyway.
Yeah, exactly what I'm saying. Like, it's through the pits, it's when it's scary, dude. Especially children, they walk by, you're like, I don't see them, and I can't stop. But, yep. Little car. I got some masking tape that was covering a hole that is now exposed because it fell apart or sucked in. I don't know. It's in there, though. Let's see. Any other notable things? Oil coolers mounted like a bridge. It's got zip tie.
Oh, what the heck? I just noticed that.
Yeah,
What's
dude.
going on here?
It's, I got my gauge there. Yeah, this is maximum performance
This
right
is
here.
maximum reliability.
Yeah,
Guys,
this
never-
right here.
Hey, you know this is not gonna leak.
Hey, doesn't leak. This thing has
The
been
most
removed 3
reliable car
times.
ever.
Each time, more of the gas kept breaking off. This last time, I was like, I got a 2 with Toyota Black, dude. It's gonna make it happen. And
Oh my
it's
gosh.
happening. I got a power. My power steering cooler is bigger than my oil cooler because that's all I had. Let's see what other notable features on here.
Hey, it's tucked back pretty nice and far.
Yeah, if you look on the inside, I had to make a new trans tunnel. They call it Baby Top.
Oh wow.
It was a piece of metal we had. It looked a little top it. So again, it's great. Got the.
I like the little floor peephole so you can kind of gauge how fast you're going.
How about the hydro? It's wherever you want hydro. You don't know where it's gonna be. It makes it exciting. Initial D arcade machine wheel has no grip on it, but it's.
Is that actually a maximum tune or initial D?
This is out from an initial D machine.
Really?
Yeah, it's the same splines, the 240. Fun fact.
Dude, I remember when we used to play that at the Sunsplash, like in Sacramento. We came there one time and the wheel's gone. I'm like, dude, someone literally stole this wheel.
100%. And like, so it bolts onto a 240.
You're the bastard that stole the wheel.
I don't want to talk about it. It's there. That's gone. I'm good. It's got a defroster, nitrous purge.
Good car.
It goes.
Nitrous purge, but the rest of
Right here, this is Handle. Go check him out.
I mean,
Great
it's
driver.
fun. So,
I just want a purge.
in line, there's nothing more
Good lad.
than purging on someone, dude. They're like, fuck, dude. No.
Are you looking for your engine?
Are you running a one shot? Found it.
It's right here.
How did you have it set up? Like push button or full throttle? It's on.
You guys suck. You're making me super excited for the turbo stuff.
Gotta get that turbo.
Gotta get that turbo on. Hey, it's fixed. Hey, you got your mirror on too?
Yeah, look at that.
You're good, bro. It comes off.
I got in a paint. I traded paint with my own car.
You really did trade paint with your own car. How do you do that? Some talent right there. Wait, how is this even? It's coming off. What is that?
Oh really?
Yeah.
Nice. Maybe it's the plastic from the front.
I don't know.
Whoa, that's
Yeah, it's weird. It's like comes right off. Well, we're back from T Hill. It's pretty late in the day now, and about to end the day, wrap this video up. I hope that little collective of clips was enough to be an entertaining little video. But other than that, it was pretty fun to just sit passenger for the first time in a long time and just not worry about anything else and just enjoy. For things to expect, what's happening, there's gonna be a lot going on in the next few weeks. A lot of swaps that don't belong in cars happening, and I'll get into that on the next video. But yeah, I'm sure we'll get some slack for what we're gonna be doing, what we plan on doing, but things are just kind of falling together this way. And as far as the banana, honestly, it's it's down there sitting exact same way as we ended Super D, so haven't touched that yet really, but I have been working on other things in the background, so cool things coming up. Well, I'll let it be a surprise for the next videos, and just kind of, you guys will see as we go. So yeah, thanks for chiming in again. One more thing before letting you guys go. We've been growing a lot in the last few weeks, so I really appreciate all the new people that are coming in and chiming in and seeing what we have going on. If you have been watching a couple of the videos and you like what you see, go ahead and hit that sub button if you would. Stick around, there's going to be some interesting things happening in the next few weeks. So other than that, if there's anything else that you guys are curious about and I didn't cover, feel free to post below and I'll try to get back to as many of you guys as possible. All right, peace out for real this time.